Did you know that your spinach can grow healthier, bushier, and greener with a simple fertilizer trick that most people throw away every day? This method not only encourages faster plant growth, but also improves soil structure and fertility, making it better for future crops. Spinach is a resilient plant that thrives in various conditions, even enduring temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. However, to reach its full potential, it needs sufficient nutrients in the right proportions to develop large, juicy leaves and a strong root system. The three key minerals for its growth are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth in deep green color. Phosphorus strengthens the roots and helps the plant absorb nutrients efficiently, while potassium regulates water and supports overall plant health. Properly balancing these minerals ensures that your spinach grows strong and vibrant. Here's a practical tip. One of the best natural fertilizers you can make at home uses coffee grounds. This simple yet powerful ingredient contains these essential minerals and attracts beneficial organisms like earthworms that aerate the soil and enhance fertility. Coffee grounds also help protect your plants from pests like slugs, keeping your garden healthy and thriving. An extra bonus is that you can collect coffee ground for free from local cafes, as they usually throw them away. Preparation is very easy. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds and mix it with half a liter of water. Stir well and let it sit for at least 24 hours. Then strain it through a cloth and dilute it with another half liter of water. Use this natural fertilizer to water your spinach, and you'll soon notice faster growth and healthier leaves. The key is that brewed coffee loses most of its acidity, making it safe and ideal for garden plants. Remember, sustainable gardening is the key to success. By recycling and using natural fertilizers, you not only reduce waste, but also create more fertile, healthier soil for your vegetables. If you want more useful and easy DIY gardening tips for thriving natural vegetables, subscribe to our channel and keep learning new tricks and hacks for a successful garden.